Hey guys, how we doing? Today we have a DeLonghi here that was brought to us by Lane, and the issue that we were told was that
So
the power
weird.
button wasn't working. So we plugged it in, but it is worth noting that the DeLonghi that was provided to us was given to us without a drip tray, without a portafilter, and without a water tank, which is fine. So we just borrowed drip tray, portafilter, and water tank from a separate machine. So let's see how the electricity is working. So we're gonna plug it in. There we go. Power button. There it is. Lights seem to be working. And because this is an electrical issue, we're just gonna try to run the machine just to make sure and show that water is running through it properly. So let's try a double shot. Looking good. There we go. Decent flow, obviously no coffee, but nonetheless the machine seems to be working. So if you like our videos and want to see more like these, please like and subscribe along with giving us a share. Take care.